Good morning children, welcome back to our English class. So today in unit number 8, the tiger and the mosquito, we will read the story and I will explain the meaning of the story. So please be ready with the page number 91 of your textbook. Keep your finger there. Let's start reading. A tiger has dozing under a tree. Again, a tiger was dozing under a tree. A mosquito came buzzing by. A mosquito came buzzing by. The tiger said, "Hey, mosquito, go away." The tiger said, "Hey, mosquito, go away." The mosquito said, "Why should I go away?" The mosquito said, "Why should I go away? I am not afraid of you. I am not afraid of you." The tiger was angry. The tiger was angry. He hit out with his paw. He hit out with his paw. The mosquito flew away. The mosquito flew away. The paw struck his own cheek. The paw struck on his own cheek. The blow scraped his cheek. It began to bleed. It began to bleed. The mosquito buzzed away. The mosquito buzzed away. The tiger struck with his other paw. The tiger struck with his other paw. The mosquito flew off. This time, too, he hit himself. This time, too, he hit himself. The tiger was helpless. The tiger was helpless. The mosquito continued to buzz. The mosquito continued to buzz. The tiger got up and quietly walked away. The tiger got up and quietly walked away. The mosquito called out after him. The mosquito called out after him. "Don't be so proud. Don't be so proud, my friend. Everyone is great in his own way. Don't be so proud, my friend. Everyone is great in his own way." So this is the lesson reading. Now let's see what is the meaning of the lesson. So this is the lesson. This is the story about the tiger and the mosquito. A tiger you know very well and mosquito also you know very well. So what is written? A tiger was dozing under a tree. A tiger was dozing. He is sleeping. You can see the tree here and he take rest, right? He takes a little nap. N-A-P, nap. A little nap or relaxing nap he take under the tree. A mosquito came buzzing by. Who came there afterwards? A mosquito came near the tiger. And what mosquito is doing? Mosquito is buzzing. Buzzing એટલે પેલું ગુણગુણ કરે ऐसे आवाज करता है ना. So he came there and buzzing. The tiger said, "Hey mosquito, go away." Who said? Tiger said to mosquito, "Hey mosquito, you go away from here. Can't you see that I am sleeping here or I am taking a dozing here?" The mosquito said, Why should I go away? What mosquito said? मैं क्यों जाऊँ यहाँ से? Why should I go away? I am not afraid of you. मुझे तुमसे कुछ डर नहीं लगता. I am not afraid of you. The tiger was very angry, and after hearing this, the mosquito said that I am not afraid of you. The tiger was very very angry, and what he said? He hit. He has not said anything. He just do the action. He hit his paw. उसका हाथ क्या किया? उसका जो ये पाव था, that is पाव, he hit यानी मारना शुरू कर दिया. So what happened at that time? So the mosquito which is very nearer to the cheek of the tiger, that flew away from there, and the paw stuck to the cheek of the tiger. सीधा टाइगर के मुंह के ऊपर क्या जाके लगा? उसका हाथ जाके लगा. And you know that it has the tiger has very sharp nail, and due to that scraped his cheek, और उसके कारण उसके मुंह पर क्या लग गया? चाटा लग गया और खून निकलने लगा. The mosquito buzzed away. फिर से मॉस्किटो आके क्या करने लगा? बज करने लगा. The tiger stuck his other palm. तो टाइगर ने क्या किया? He used his other paw to to hit the mosquito, but again the mosquito flew away, and the paw goes on his cheek. Then what happened? So blood come out from his cheek. This time to hit himself. The tiger helpless. Now the tiger helpless. He thought that मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Who thought? Tiger. The mosquito continued to buzz. और mosquito तो था, वो क्या कर रहा था? उसको हमेशा हैरान परेशान कर ही रहा था. उसके पास में आके buzzing कर रहा था. The tiger got up and quietly walk away. अब जब टाइगर को पता चला कि I can't do anything, I am helpless, he got up and he walked away. वहाँ से दूर चला गया. The mosquito said after him, उसके जाने के बाद में what mosquito said? Do not be so proud. खुद के ऊपर इतना घमंड मत करो, क्योंकि हर एक इंसान खुद के इसमें क्या होता है? बेस्ट होता है, राइट? हर एक में हर एक क्वालिटी नहीं होती है. जिसके पास जो क्वालिटी होती है वो उसमें बेस्ट होता है, राइट? कोई पढ़ाई में अच्छा होता है, तो जो पढ़ाई में अच्छा होता है वो सिंगिंग में अच्छा नहीं होता, तो कोई सिंगिंग में अच्छा होता है. कोई ड्राइंग में अच्छा होता है, तो कोई राइटिंग में अच्छा होता है. Everyone has its own peculiarity. So we cannot say like that I have to be proud on myself. Okay children, so this is about the story of the tiger and the mosquito. So I hope you understand this story, and this is the story of the tiger and mosquito. What you learned from this story? What is the moral of the story? So the moral of the story is do not to be proud on ourselves, okay? Because each one has a best quality in himself or herself. Okay children? So this is about the story. So we will meet in our next period. Till that, goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you.